Good morning, guys. Yeah, I'm still not feeling good. Yeah, still a little bit dizzy when I am walking. Still feel disoriented. Yesterday, I went to the Tumari Community Hospital. On the entrance, it's written there, "Do not visit if you have symptoms of COVID." Yeah, and I have symptoms of COVID. I have sore throat, runny nose. And it was already around 7 o'clock. It's still bright that time. But no one inside. There's no reception. Maybe in the emergency there are some people there, but yeah, I get back because I saw the warning, do not visit. Yeah, so I get back and I get home. Yeah. And then I check online. Yeah, it actually rules not to go to the hospital if you are not feeling well. You first need to call the ambulance. I mean, you first need to call the hospital and then call an ambulance and then they will bring you to the hospital. That is how it is. I just get inside the car and when I touch it, yeah, it is hot. And when I touch this plywood, it is hotter. Yeah, so it means that having this roof is not good. Yeah, it's hot. And let me touch this. Yeah, this is just good. But this is hot. Probably because of the too much heat in the roof. So I am back home and I basically received a message from our HR department. They are asking me for a medical certificate. I said I have the one coming from the chemist, yeah, from the pharmacy, and they said that they are not accepting that. They are accepting only the one that is coming from the GP, from the doctor. And yeah, and I checked the email. So basically, I need to book a appointment to the doctor. But yeah, most of the clinic, they are full. No vacancy. There are many clinic here, but no no vacancy. And some of them, they are accepting only the regular clients, the previous client, no new clients. Okay, so I'm going to try this. This is my very first time to use this COVID testing kit. Here's this procedure. It says 15 minutes, so the time now is 1:35. So 40, 45, 50, 35, 40, 45, 50. Yeah, looks like I have COVID. Look at this. Yeah, because according to this, that to red, it means positive. And look at my test. Yeah, because negative is like this, just one. Yeah, so I'm positive to COVID. Yeah, I'm positive to COVID, but it feels like a normal yeah, it feels like a normal flu or fever. Same like when I was young. I'm actually thinking, yeah, I'm thankful that only this much is what I am feeling. not worse like what I've seen in the news. Oh, look at this. Yeah, Divina just came here and gave this to me. There is palm seat. Yo, good morning guys. It is now already 7:20 and I'm actually going to the hospital. Yeah, I'm going to ask for a medical certificate. Because if you remember yesterday, I was trying to do the telehealth. Yeah, telehealth is basically a online consultation. Yeah, that is the thing that clinic, hospital, GP are doing today because to avoid the spread of COVID. But most of the GP, general practitioner, doctors are no vacancy. And so I have been browsing. I even tried to book an appointment to a doctor that is in a very far place. But there's no chance. And so I decided to call the Tomari Community Hospital and they said, yeah, you can come. And I am going now. And we are now here in the hospital. And I will see you later. Yeah, driving from the house to here is tiring. Yeah, and I'm back. It is now 10:42. So I waited maybe from 7:30 or 8, 9, 10. Yeah, just less than 3 hours of waiting. Yeah. I think it's okay to wait that much because I am a little feeling better. Yeah, the worst thing of course are the other people inside. They are waiting but looks like they are not feeling well. The people there are nice. Nice, very nice. And we are now home. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this lily flower has a flower now. Beautiful. Water lily. Water lily. What's the name? Peace lily. Already 11:22. Yeah, the neighbor, they are swimming in the swimming pool. And today I'm going to wash all this because it was full of sweat. If you remember in the previous days. In the Philippines, if somebody beats you, it is now 4:31. Yeah, I'm watching this vlog in the Philippines. An American guy. Yeah, it's hot here inside, sweating. Yesterday, Divina bring me a lot of food. Like this pancit. And this. And another pancit. Also this dessert. Yeah, this is their leftover from their Christmas celebration. Inigo gave this to me. And soup.
And just, hello, take care of me. Ang dami, ayoko ng pansit, men.
Sige, lang.
Kinainan mo to?
Hindi, bigay kalahati. May akong lalagyanan.
Wala ka nalagyan?
Sa iyo yung...
At akin ba to? Take care of me. Hope you feel better now. Take some medicine, take some paracetamol and vitamin C. I hope the dish that I give you will make you feel better.
Okay, look at this. Inigo, bring this. Yeah, this chicken soup. We call it tinola. Yeah, and I tasted it and it's delicious. Supposed to be with the papaya or I forgot the other one. Amazing. Really amazing. Good morning guys. It is already 5 minutes to 8 o'clock. Yeah, I'm feeling better. but I still have yeah, cough and sore throat. I'm not using the second antigen test. I still have the other one. Yeah, I still have this other one. I'm going to check that, yeah, later, because today is the last day of my sick leave. Tomorrow I am day off based on the roster. Yeah. And since I am now capable, I feel a little normal, except this cough and sore throat. I feel normal. And so we are going to Bunnings warehouse. It is actually okay to go out and isolation is not required. I will be just wearing a mask when I am in Bunnings. This one is actually $1. Just $1. This blade, this is just $1. Nice. Maybe it looks good in the video, but actually doesn't look good here in person. This actually have a lot of extra. Okay, so I think it's flat now, and I'm going to make it permanent by applying this permanent glue. I needed to wear a mask and a sunglass. Okay, yeah, I finished installing the floor, the vinyl. It is now 12:20. I'm very hungry.